Hello everyone, today we are going to learn what you need to know about CSS selectors. First we are going to open our HTML. I wrote these simple things. I opened the live server. Here we are. First we need to create a style tag, so everything inside the style tag will be CSS content. Starting with the universal selectors, you put this little thing, this little signal, like the multiply signal. Then you put curly brackets, enter, and everything inside here will change the whole program. So we put margin 20 rem. See? It has the whole square, imagine a square, in every side. But we are going to put 2 rem only. 2 rem. Here we go. Everything got changed by this margin. Jumping for the CSS element selector, we are going to change all paragraphs. All paragraphs will become a little bit bigger. So we'll put P, curly brackets, enter. Now we put font size and we'll put 2 rem. Now every paragraph become bigger. Now, for the element selector, we are going to put an ID to something. In this case, this one paragraph saying hello will have the ID hello. Now we can change the ID hello with the hashtag hello, curly brackets, enter. And now we can put the hello yellow, so color yellow. Here we go, the yellow is yellow. Now creating classes. We can change CSS elements by classes. What are we going to do? We are going to put dot center text align center. Everything with the class center will become text align center. So what we put? We create a div or a section, put everything inside it, we paste it inside the div, and now we have the div with the class center. Don't forget, we need to put inside the class equals double quotes center. Here we go, everything is text align center. Now, to create specific elements with classes, we put the wait, let me just create another thing like span, and here we go, Diogo Veigas, my name. So we put span, the name of the element we want to change, dot italic, curly brackets, enter, and now we put class italic in our span. Now we put font style italic and span with the class italic. It's now italic. But if we put the italic class, imagine the first title, it will not change because it's not a span. Finally, the grouping selectors. Imagine I want to make every title bigger. I can put h1, comma, h2. I can put even more, but I only have these two titles. Curly brackets, enter. Now I can put font size 4M. Save it, and it became bigger. Now finally, just to make everything clear, we can create another class called red curly brackets, this color red, and we can put multiple classes in only one element. So we can put the class red and the class center with only a space. So we can put center space red, and these both classes will be applied to that single element. Today I'll teach you guys the most important things about selectors in CSS. Thank you guys and see you soon.